Guys, so we're in our second day, and our second day is Lab Safety Part 2. So I just wanted to make a few announcements. Office hours are going to be during your class time each day that your class meets. The last 30 minutes of class, I will have a Zoom. So if you have any questions or you want to talk or anything, I will be there. And if I'm not paying attention, just call my name out, and I'll pay attention. And another thing, our current module assignment, I will have linked to this right here. And module assignment for first period only. If you are first period, you click this one. If you are not first period, you click this one. So this one is going to be any class period besides first period. So don't click it, or click it if you are not first period. Hopefully that helps. Also, student info, make sure you are signing your safety contract online. So just make sure you get that done. You need it for my class, whether we are in class or not in class. You still have to get it signed. It's a district policy. So if you go to our modules, I'm going to go directly to current. The current module, it will be day 2. Day 2, when you click on it, you will have a warm-up quiz, and then you'll have a quiz is, and then a lab safety quiz. You have to make 100 on that lab safety quiz in order to continue. So retake it as many times as you need to in order to get that 100. So make sure you get that 100. Afterwards, you're going to do this vocabulary for a biomolecule unit. It will look like this. It is a word search that you... forgot the E. So it's a word search, so make sure you do that. You can't start this day 2 module until you finish day 1. So make sure you finish day 1, and then you'll be able to work on day 2. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, Remind101 me, or Zoom on the last 30 minutes of class. Thank you.